I mean, even us South Africans, if we have something that we are not happy about, we are not allowed to just close the roads and inconvenience other people, even us South Africans. So when it's them, the foreigners, who are busy closing the roads here in South Africa, then we are going to have a very big problem. Because I'm pretty sure their governments wouldn't tolerate something like that from us South Africans, maybe in their country, closing the roads there in their country. Their governments wouldn't tolerate that. But as South Africa, we are supposed to be tolerating that. Even that man there at the gate trying to negotiate with them, we shouldn't be negotiating like that with these people. Especially when they are disrespecting us. Okay, maybe we can negotiate on other things, maybe when they come with respect, yes. But when they showed us we are going to disrespect you and there's nothing you can do about it, we need not negotiate with them.
Media को space दो. Come, what they talking also must. He's the victim who has been hijacked. Okay, it's fine, but we want the leader now. Who's the leader? He's the leader. He's the chairman of community. Fine. He's the chairman of community. This is the court. Okay, sir. I don't know who's the chairman. Chairman, where's the chairman? Him. No, him. Chairman. This is the court. Okay, sir. We understand you are angry. We understand you've got problems. But you cannot close the road leading into the court and out of the court. Correct, sir. That is wrong. Yes. Right. Now, whatever problems you have, tomorrow, 8 o'clock, I'm here. You can come or sit down. Write down all your record. Yeah, record me. Tomorrow morning at 10, you can come. But when you come, I want you to come down with a pen and paper, write all your problems down. We sit down. If it falls under us, we will look at it. If it doesn't fall under us, it must go to SAPS. You will go to SAPS. But now we cannot close the road. The people who are to that guy now. But remember, you can't close the way out of the court. So we need to open the court. Yeah, but we are closing. उसकी बात करो. उसको कहाँ ले जाएंगे? वो लाएंगे क्या कल उसको? Yeah. What's wrong with that? The kingpin is inside the car. Private. What's wrong with that? The kingpin of the. He was the main culprit behind the hijacking. That's why I'm saying today I don't know what your problem is, right? Okay. But tomorrow morning you come. You write down all your problems. We discuss your problem. But you cannot close the road into the court. Today you don't know our problem and we don't know your problem today. Yes. So we will stand here until we need justice. No. You can't do that. You can't do that. Listen, my brother. Listen. South Africa, South Africa is based on the rule of law. Correct. There's a law here. There's a constitution here. When people are not, dockets missing is not a problem. When people have got a problem, they've got the right to march, to come to court, to say these are our grievances. But you can't close the road. Because when you close the road, No. I'm saying to you, listen to me. I'm saying this is the court. You can't close. You can't close anyone to get out. It is wrong. So what? Listen. But everybody cannot talk. Everybody cannot talk. Now I'm saying to you. Correct. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Yes. Right? Yeah. In that 5 minutes, I want you to speak to your members. Correct. I want you to make them understand that there is a rule of law here. We all need to respect it. Yes. No one has got the right to block anybody. Correct. Tomorrow at 10. Yes. Tomorrow morning, I'm available. Okay. Tomorrow you come with your people. Yes. You come with your problem. We sit down and we listen to you. Can I just ask 2 questions? No, 1 minute. Only 2 small questions. Yes. Is the private car allowed to go inside the court? Yes. All right. Okay. The one on which circumstances? No. Can I bring my car also inside? No. So why that car is inside? When there is a security risk, security has assessed the situation. No, sir. Because before security, that car was inside. Yes. We have the recordings. That car was already inside. That was number 1. Yes. Number 2, all we are asking, he was being arrested from Pietermaritzburg. The victim was found in his compound. All the suspects, they identified that this is the man. We have all the audio recordings with us, video recordings with us, that he accepted that he is the one who hijacked him. And he threatened before kidnapping. Yeah. And he threatened before the kidnapping. We also have that. All we are asking, all we are asking is why he did not appear in the court. It's what I'm saying to you. Remember, the Department of Justice is divided into certain components.
Copy.
What you are talking about now falls under the National Prosecutions Authority.
Okay.
Tomorrow, our colleagues from the NPA, they will be here. You can ask them those questions, they will give you an answer. You understand? But it is wrong for you to close the exit of the court.
Okay, is it right for him to keep
No. That they will ask. My chief, wait and listen. I'm talking to you.
I've been listening.
Yazi, every time when I see foreigners acting like this here in South Africa, it hurts my heart. And I always wonder, Uti, this kind of behavior, would they tolerate it in their countries? Nah. This is the question that I always ask myself. Uti, these people, when they want to come here to South Africa, and then when they get here, behave like this, trying to act as if they are above the law. Is this the kind of behavior that their countries tolerate from foreigners? Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. The entitlement, the audacity that these people have to close the road that is being used by the public, inconveniencing the public just because they have demands that are not being met. They want their demands to be met. They want the court to open its doors so that they can get in. And the court is saying, we won't do that because you are going to disrupt whatever is going on inside the court. Yes, maybe they are angry. They were saying this story when I'm following it. Apparently, there's one of theirs, a Pakistani, that was kidnapped. So they had some demands with regards to that thing. But that's not important. The important thing is their behavior, acting as if the law doesn't exist in this country. And apparently, also, the person who kidnapped that Pakistani is not even South African. Apparently, he's another foreigner, a Mozambican. So it's not even a South African who kidnapped their brothers. But then they are there disrupting the peace. The audacity to close the road. Why would you close the road that leads to the court? And then that's the behavior that we are supposed to tolerate as South Africans. That's the behavior that we are not supposed to talk about. We won't keep quiet. We won't keep quiet. And it doesn't matter if people continue calling us all sorts of names, calling us xenophobic, Afrophobic, all these names that they always call us. But if these foreigners want to behave like this here in South Africa, then we are going to have a very big problem. Well, in today's video, I just wanted to bring this to your attention because when I saw this video, it was very, very concerning to me. And this is an incident that happened late, right now during the festive. So when I saw this video, I said, you know what? This is the kind of behavior that we are always talking about as South Africans, saying we don't want these people to act like this. That man there at the gate is trying to explain to them everything. What you are doing is not something that we do here in South Africa. I mean, even us South Africans, if we have something that we are not happy about, we are not allowed to just close the roads and inconvenience other people. Even us South Africans. So when it's them, the foreigners who are busy closing the roads here in South Africa, then we are going to have a very big problem. Because I'm pretty sure their governments wouldn't tolerate something like that from us South Africans, maybe in their country, closing the roads there in their country. Their governments wouldn't tolerate that. But as South Africa, we are supposed to be tolerating that. Even that man there at the gate trying to negotiate with them, we shouldn't be negotiating like that with these people. Especially when they are disrespecting us. Okay, maybe we can negotiate on other things, maybe when they come with respect, yes. But when they showed us, we are going to disrespect you and there's nothing you can do about it, we need not negotiate with them. We need not negotiate with them at all. Because when we negotiate with them like this, the way that man is negotiating with them there at the gate, they think they have power over us as South Africans. They think they have power over our law as South Africans. So this thing now of negotiating with them like this shouldn't be done, shouldn't be tolerated. Law enforcement was just supposed to chase these people away there and tell them, what you are doing, closing the roads, is not something that we are going to allow. Whatever demands that you have or complaints that you have should be directed to the correct channels, not close the road for other people who have nothing to do with whatever that's going on there. When you close the road, you are inconveniencing other people who have nothing to do with your demands or whatever that you want. It's a behavior that we cannot tolerate as South Africans. Even us, whenever maybe we are toy-toying, because South Africans sometimes when they toy-toy, they close the roads and things like that. Even us, we are chased away with tear gas and things like that when we try to close the road. But then we must tolerate foreigners closing our roads. Then nothing is being done to them. Why don't they chase them away with tear gases like they do to us whenever we try to close the roads? Pela, us as South Africans, when we toy-toy, maybe we've closed the roads and things like that. The police are going to come to throw tear gas at us and things like that. But these foreigners have the audacity to close the road. And then instead of being chased away with tear gas, they are being negotiated with. Why? Why? But yeah, tell me on the comment section, what do you think about this whole issue? I would love to hear your thoughts about this whole thing. But if you just enjoyed this video or you learned something new, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. My name is Emmanuel and this is Mzansi Versity, the place where we transform lives through knowledge and information. Let's meet again on another video.